Hi, I'm Joanna. Today I joined the TikTok workshop. I have learned a lot and clear. I really enjoyed the environment and the class.
Hi, I have actually learned a lot how to create content to go viral. But most importantly, what this workshop has done for me actually untie certain knots that I have not been able to do it myself. The most impressive part, the speaker herself, she shared her journey and how she get herself from previously 2 years ago till now what she got right now. So this is the portion that is inspiring me.
I came with zero knowledge. Now I'm going back with some of the important things where I can start on my own, what to do and what not to do. Very calm class. She's not rushing. First of all, that's most important thing. She's not rushing and very cool, and she got all the answers for all our questions.
I have learned something that is my video inspiration. Because previously I don't have any idea to how to create a video. So now I roughly know what direction I need to go to and how to edit the video as well.